Okay, so let's see here. Moving on down the list, we have the eyedropper here. Okay, now the eyedropper we can use to select colors. Okay, for example, see there's that yellowish color. Come down here, select. There's the green over here. Select that blue color. If we open up our color picker, we always have the eyedropper, even if we have a different tool. For example, I'll select the magic wand again, but then I'll open my color picker and see that it turns to the eyedropper anyway. And it's a way to select a specific pixel color. Okay, and that comes in really handy when you're painting or using the brush tool, bucket, paint bucket, matching colors, all kinds of stuff we'll get into. Okay, so being able to select colors is a great thing to be able to do. Let's see here. Below the eyedropper is a 3D material eyedropper tool, and we will cover that when we cover 3D. Color sampler tool. This is pretty cool. I can come over here and I can click on the blue. Okay. And it left a number here, 1, and then it gave me the information about, right here, number 1, about this color, okay? The RGB values of it. Okay, I can come over here and click on this yellow, and I get on 2 and another one, okay? The green, and so on. And I can actually do 10 of these, all right? Now, there's a bright yellow right there. This is really helpful if you're going to work with a specific color palette and you want to grab the colors out of an image and only work with those. For example, let's say I wanted to make a text logo that matched the colors of this house and yard and only use those colors in the logo. That's something I can do by labeling the different points, just like that. Speaking of, now you can actually measure with the ruler tool, okay, by clicking over here and then dragging, and you can see that you get the width and the height of the ruler tool, okay? And below that is the note tool, which I must be honest, I never ever use this tool, but you can actually click and then leave some notes like, oh, here is a tree. I mean, and then it'll always be there. So if I click on the move tool, I can do some other things and I can click on that and it pops up. Now, I could see how this would be really useful if you were collaborating on a project with a team and you wanted to mark the different areas that needed editing or something similar to that. So that's how to, leave notes on areas of your image. The counter right here is actually just a way to actually put points, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, I'm sure that's for working collaboratively in a group or for yourself and just making notes for edits later. And I can see how that'd be really useful. Although I have to admit, I don't ever use any of these tools.